Cash advance apps are designed around accessing money before your next paycheck, but whether they affect your credit depends on how the app works and whether it uses credit reporting. By the end, you'll know what to check before using a cash advance app and how to avoid options that could create unnecessary credit problems. The first thing to understand is that not every cash advance app works like a traditional loan. Many cash advance apps connect to your income information and provide access to earned money or short-term advances instead of opening a credit account. Before using an app, check whether it performs a credit check, reports activity to credit bureaus, or explains its approval process clearly. The second thing to review is the cost. A cash advance app can have different fees depending on how you access your money and how quickly you receive it. Read the fee details before requesting an advance so you know exactly what you may pay. The third factor is repayment. Cash advance apps usually require repayment through your linked account or scheduled payment method. Check the repayment terms before accepting an advance because missing payments or creating account issues can lead to additional problems. Another important feature is account security. Cash advance apps often require access to financial information, so review the permissions and security details before connecting your account. Only use apps that clearly explain how your information is handled. You should also compare the AP's requirements before applying. Some apps may require income verification, account history, or other eligibility checks. Understanding the requirements can help you avoid applying for options that do not match your situation. A common mistake is treating cash advances like extra income. They are designed as short-term access to money that you still need to repay. Use a cash advance app only after checking the repayment date, total cost, and whether it fits your budget. The best cash advance apps are the ones that clearly explain fees, repayment rules, and credit-related policies. Before choosing an app, check 3 things: whether it reports to credit bureaus, what fees apply, and how repayment works. Your next step is to read the terms of one app carefully before connecting your bank account or requesting an advance. If this guide helped you understand cash advance apps better, like the video and subscribe for more practical reviews of money apps and financial tools.